What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7 in graphite stainless steel, which is basically black stainless steel. And I also have a space black link band in the box that we can have a look at. So let's get started and unbox it. So here we have the box. Now let's open it up and have a look inside. Let's have a look at the band first. Cool to see the band in brand new condition. Here is what the band looks like after a few years of wear. It actually has held up very well considering they look pretty similar underneath, and flipped over. This one you can tell it's got a bit of wear, but really it's done pretty well. If anything, it hides the scratches better than the stainless steel one because they're very visible on that one. One of the really cool things about this watch band is how quickly and easily you can add and remove bands. So you just press on the button and you can take off a link, and then you can reattach them just like so. They click in, but it's a bit hard to do one-handed, so I will do this and I'll get back to you. And here's the watch itself, so let's have a look at that. That's pretty nice finish on this. What else is in the box is more documentation, and then you have the charger here. What's interesting is that the stainless steel Apple Watch does not come with an additional band, but the Apple Watch Titanium does come with an additional band. So it's interesting to see the difference that we have here, where you're not getting additional band in here, but the reality is that those bands are pretty cheap, so it's not a huge loss. Well, let's attach this to the watch and see what it looks like.